You're most welcome back to this Python crash course. In the previous episode, we looked at what Python is, why you need to learn Python, and also who is this course for. So in this episode, we're gonna actually go ahead and configure our machine for Python development. So the first thing we need to do is to download Python uh, for on our computer. So open up a browser. After opening a browser, search for Python, hitting enter. So on the first link, or just click on where it says download python.org. Click on that. That link takes us to the download page where we can download Python for our computer. So as you can see here, we have highlighted. We have different kinds of links. So if you are on Windows, click on this button. If you are on Linux, click on this, macOS on this, and other operating systems on this as well. So make sure to download the latest version of Python, because this course will be actually using the latest version. So I already have Python 3.12.5 version already downloaded on my machine. So let me minimize the browser, and on my desktop I have the setup file for Python 3.12.5 version. So open the setup when the download completes. Let's wait. Okay, yeah. So we have the installation window open. Before actually clicking on the install now button, uh, check these two checkboxes down here. The one which says use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Check on that, as well as this which says add python.exe to path. Check on that as well. So after checking on this, go on and click on the install now, not the customize installation, but install now button. Yeah, so let's wait for the installation to complete. Usually it takes a little bit more time, so let's be patient. We have successfully installed Python on our computer. So let's actually uh, close the window, and then to confirm that Python has been installed on a machine, let's open a terminal window. So I will use PowerShell. Open a terminal window, and then after opening it, type py. If you are on Windows, I think on Mac OS or Linux, you type the whole Python, but we are on Windows. I'm on Windows actually. So I'll type just py, then space, then dash dash version. So as we can see, it has actually responded that Python 3.12.5 version is available. So this means that we have successfully installed Python on our machine. And then we need to install a text editor where we're gonna be writing the Python codes. So back to the browser, you can create this, and then search for Visual Studio Code. Studio Code. So after searching that, scroll down a bit. Yeah, so this link, the www I think https colon slash slash code dot visual studio code visualstudio.com. Click on it. This takes us to the page where we can download Visual Studio Code for our computer. So I'm on Windows. If you're on Windows 2, just click here, download Visual Studio Code. Windows 10/11. Download this. If you are on Linux, download, you can click these links. On macOS also this link. So make sure to download the right version of Visual Studio Code for your computer. So after having it downloaded, I already downloaded it. After you two downloaded the Visual Studio Code, open the setup file. So I'll open mine. Yeah, we have the setup window opened. So these are the terms which we need to agree so as to install Visual Studio Code on our computer. So accept the agreement, then click next. Then don't change anything, just click next as well. Next as well. And here, make sure to check. Actually, you can check to create a desktop icon, but I won't do that. But make sure to check these two. You see how useful they are they in a bit, but just check on this. You can also check here where it says create a desktop icon. So after checking the required checkboxes, click next and then install. So Visual Studio Code is preparing to install. Now the process has started. So Visual Studio Code, unlike Python, is a little bit faster. So it won't take a lot of time. And now we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on our computer. So we have by default the launch Visual Studio Code option checked here. So leave it like that so as it should open automatically for the first time. So click the finish button and let's wait for the Visual Studio Code to open. So as you can see, a new window has actually opened with a welcome window, you can say. So you can close this actually. There's no need. Maybe if you want to walk through Visual Studio Code, you can do that, but just close it. And what we want to do is to actually download extension which will make writing Python code a little bit easier. So go to the extension tab, click on the extension button, and then we'll have the extension tab opened. So on the search extension, the marketplace press input, uh, just type Python, and also we have it recommended down here. So oh yeah, also it has come by its own. So click on the install extension. We need this extension to actually write beautiful Python code. So this actually provides some sort of coloring to the card so as to indicate what it is, and it's a little bit nice. So install it. Yeah, so we have successfully installed an extension for Python. So this video ends here. In the next video, we're gonna actually start coding in Python by writing down or by coding our first Python program. So make sure as always to like the video, share it, and comment down if you have any question or just a feedback. And also subscribe if you haven't already so as to be part of the family. So see you in the next video. Stay safe.